Inhale up. Exhale to the right side, down. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side, down. Inhale up. Exhale to the right side, down, and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side, down, and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay, come up. First right leg, chin 5, side of the thigh. Yes, come to Janu sirsasana series. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Grab your left ankle or big toes as much as possible. You can bend forward. Inhale, up. Tai Chi, left hand over your knee, right hand over your head. Inhale, up. Sim, right hand, back side, left hand all the way up. Yes, arch back, very good. Exhale, slowly come down. Another 2 times, same. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Same, left hand over your right knee, right hand over your head, right hand grab your left ankle. Yes, slowly. One more time, inhale, up. Right hand, back side, left hand all the way up. Yes, excellent. 1, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Left leg straight up. 1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg to the left side. Right hand to the right side. Stay here. Good job. Couple of breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand over your head. Right hand grab your left ankle. Yes, come to compass pose. Excellent. If possible, yeah. Tai Chi. Beautiful. 1, good job. 2, don't worry. 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. Same. Change your leg. Doichan. Yeah. Fold your left leg. First side of the right thigh. We are going to Janu sirsasana series. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Slowly slipping forward. Grab your right big toes, ankle. If you cannot, so you can use the towel. Khan. Inhale, up. Again, right hand over your knee, left hand over your head. Yes, very good job. Excellent. Just try to maintain the posture. Inhale, up. Again, left hand back side. Tai Chi. Yeah, right hand all the way up. Exhale, down. Slowly come down. And the 2 times, same. Inhale and exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, twisting. Left hand over your head. Yes, just stay here. Very good. Feel the stretching. One more time. Inhale, up. Again, left hand, back side. Right hand over your head. All the way up. Try to focus on your lower back. Feel the stretching. Exhale, down. The last one, same. Inhale, up. Exhale, slowly come down and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Same. Inhale Exhale to the right hand down, left hand over your head, and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Tai Chi. Left hand back side, right hand all the way up. Excellent. Just maintain the posture. 1, 2, beautiful. 3, 4, 5. Relax. First, slowly the right leg straight up. If possible, then close to the forehead. Yes, try to stretching first. Yeah, if you cannot, so you can use the towel. Good job. Hold on. Stay here. 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right leg to the right side. Left hand to the left side. Very good. Excellent. Just try to maintain. 1. Good job. Everybody. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, same. Left hand over your head. Left hand grab your right ankle and right hand side of the body. Come to compass pose. Okay, good job. Just maintain. 1, don't worry. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Up. Look up, chin up. Exhale. Suck your stomach in. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. The last one, inhale up. Try to look to the ceiling and hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Suck your stomach in. Shh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Inhale, right leg up and left hand together. Exhale, shh, knee to elbow. Slowly come down. Continue 4 more times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Very good. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Nice. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Look at the last one. Inhale, up. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi. Left hand back side. Grab your right ankle. Right leg straight up. Yes. Very good. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right leg back side. Right hand all the way up. Very good. Okay. 1. Good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Excellent. Now we are going to same to the left side also. Okay. Inhale. Left leg and right hand together up. Exhale, down, knee to elbow, knee to forehead. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Good job. 3 more times. Inhale, up. Okay. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale up. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right hand back side. Grab your left ankle and inhale. Left leg all the way up. Up. 2. Good job. 3, 4, and 5. Now same left leg back side, left hand up, inhale up. Yes, excellent. Stay here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Chest chin down. Come swung. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra pose. Yep. Good job. Oh. Exhale, child pose. Ember. Relax your back. Just relax. Relax. Continue 2 more times. Inhale, Cobra. Slowly up. Exhale, child pose. Inhale, Cobra pose. Up. Exhale, downward facing dog. And one by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, right leg up, chin file in. Right leg front, in between your palm, line chuk, goisu. Again, come to Anjaneyasana. Inhale, raise your hands up. Go back, maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chin five, thang. Try to right knee straight. Drop your both palms, side of the foot. Head touch to knee or head touch to mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Janfadasa. Right leg back to plank pose. The body should be straight, one line. Good job. Hold the breath. Chaturanga, Dandasana, Sum, or come to Ashtanga. Inhale, come to upward dog or Bhujangasana. Very good. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, same. Thang tai, thang chin. Tight. One more time, left leg. Inhale, left leg up, all the way up. Exhale, down, in between a palm. Drop your right knees. Again, inhale. Raise your both hands up. Come to Anjaneyasana. Good. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Slowly left leg straight down. Drop your both palms side of the foot. Relax yourself. 3, 4, 5. Left leg back. Chaturanga to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. Exhale, downward facing dog. And one by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, right leg up, chin file in. Right leg front, in between your palm, line chuk, goisu. Again, come to Anjaneyasana. Inhale, raise your hands up. Go back, maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chin five, thang. Try to right knee straight. Drop your both palms, side of the foot. Head touch to knee or head touch to mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Janfadasa. Right leg back to plank pose. The body should be straight, one line. Good job. Hold the breath. Chaturanga, Dandasana, Sum, or come to Ashtanga. Inhale, come to upward dog or Bhujangasana. Very good. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, same. Thang tai, thang chin. Tight, tight, tight. One more time, left leg. Inhale, left leg up, all the way up. Exhale, down, in between a palm. Drop your right knees. Again, inhale. Raise your both hands up. Come to Anjaneyasana. Good. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Slow. Your left leg straight down. Drop your both palms side of the foot. Relax yourself. 3, 4, 5. Left leg back. Chancharas out to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line.